In this video, we're going to review how BI admins can use Datalogz to identify and consolidate duplicate datasets in their environment. This problem occurs when the same data source tables are used across multiple reports. Duplicate datasets will be created by default, without the developers taking the extra care to create promoted datasets and connect their reports to these promoted datasets. The duplicate datasets that are created instead end up growing and overlapping with each other over time. Hundreds of thousands of refreshes will take place over the course of a year. That costs money that didn't need to be spent. So we can help identify when datasets are similar enough such that they can be consolidated together. We use the similarity between table names, column names, data types, and query expressions to identify different data sets that actually are pulling from the same data sources connected to different reports. This is indicative of reports not being tied to promoted data sets and is a significant driver of cost. So here we can see that we have some data sets that are identified as duplicate. I can see very easily that this report that I copied and pasted with a rename, Snowflake Dashboard 2, is being identified the same as Snowflake Dashboard 1, and this other Snowflake Dashboard, and this other Snowflake Dashboard. They would all be in different workspaces. These are different copies of the report, which means they're different copies of the data set, and none of them are tied to a single promoted data set. So this would be spending 4 times as much compute cost than I would need to spend. And if they are being refreshed, let's say 8 times per day, that'll be about 31 different refreshes that didn't need to happen. And you can imagine that as this problem scales to hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of duplicate data sets, each refreshing 8 times per day or more, this represents a serious cost overrun that can easily be avoided. And so with Datalogz, we help you identify when these issues are happening, and we will help you to save time in consolidating these together, helping identify when data sets are not promoted, helping developers automatically tie reports to promoted data sets if they don't exist, helping to create those promoted data sets, and much more.